I'm being shunned by my whole family for standing up to my grandmother. Am I wrong? This is my first year of high school and it's been a very hard transition for me. I've had increased anxiety because of an altercation I had in the fall, and it's been hard to go to school every day. I just don't feel safe. However, my grades don't reflect that and I catch up on everything online. This isn't permanent, but I just need the extra time and support to bring my level up to where it should be. Last week, I received a text from my grandmother that I found incredibly insensitive. Apparently, she had been talking to my dad and heard about me missing a few days that week. She then proceeded to tell me that I was lazy, and if I didn't get my life together, she would come over to show me the consequences. The same thing happened to my brother when my parents struggled to find him a place in school. She threatened to call CPS on my mom for neglect. He has autism and they couldn't get a secure placement until a few months ago. It's not the first time either. Last June, she absolutely ruined my grad shopping experience by constantly body shaming me. I got the first and only dress I tried on after being in the shop for less than 30 minutes. She took over everything and then decided to bill my dad for her time. She's the type of person to use the brutally honest excuse and hide behind it. Everyone else accepted it, but I finally snapped on her. I told her if she wasn't going to be a helpful asset in my life, she shouldn't be in it at all, and that she doesn't deserve my respect just because she's old. The conversation ended there and I haven't heard from her since. She's been in contact with my dad and gave me 1 week to give her an in-person apology or accept that I didn't have her side of the family anymore. I chose not to apologize because I didn't think I did anything wrong. Anyway, I found out today that she's been telling every family member not to buy me any birthday gifts and to return the ones that they already purchased for me. Even going as far as rubbing it in my face by only getting my brother's special gifts instead. And the sad thing is, the whole family is playing along. Dinner is tomorrow and I've since been uninvited. The gifts aren't my problem. It's the fact that she's a grown woman going behind my back and acting like a victim. What's worse is that everybody in the family is okay with what's happening. It's like they're jealous of a child. I don't know what to do. Am I wrong? Oh my goodness, this is so messed up. Like, obviously OP is not wrong. She has an extremely toxic family. Like, how dare the grandmother involve all of the other family members in her drama with her granddaughter? That woman should be ashamed of herself. She is a 10 out of 10 a-hole in my opinion. You don't get to turn your own family against your granddaughter. I'm also low-key mad at the girl's parents for not standing up for her. If my kid's grandmother did something like that to them, I wouldn't want anything to do with her. So for that reason, the entire family gets a 9 out of 10 a-hole rating from me because they are all immature and they suck. You guys let me know in the comments what a-hole rating you would give this family. Also, let me know what you think about my newest box. I just wanted a crystal clear box with a little bit of shimmer added to it, and these are the final results. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces!